Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? My name is Ash, or you can call me Gingy, and this is my channel, awk.gingy, and I colored my hair because I was sad. So, little backstory. I used to always color my hair in college. College was like my most depressing period ever, and I changed my hair probably every couple of weeks. Not probably, I did every couple of weeks. I killed my hair with that process, but I have not colored my hair. The last time I colored my hair was I went dark, and then I went back to my natural, and then I haven't touched it since until today. And I filmed it, and you're gonna see the bleaching process, which I don't bleach very well, and then the coloring process. So I'm trying Arctic Fox for the first time. I picked these up at Sally's, which I think is kind of a ripoff at Sally's because they're cheaper online than I think at Hot Topic, but I didn't feel like going all the way to the mall, so there's that. So I got Sunset Orange and Cosmic Sunshine. I kind of wish I did more Cosmic Sunshine, but I did that at the ends, and then Sunset Orange, just that. And I didn't do my whole head because I do want to keep mostly my natural red color because my red is pretty. It's a pretty red. If I say so myself. Everybody tells me it's such a pretty shade, and then I'm gonna go to work and they'll be like, what the hell did you do to your hair? It's so pretty before. So whatever. I wanted to keep my natural color at the root for the most part. If I go in with a color over that, it's definitely only gonna be semi-permanent, and it will not be over bleach. I'm not gonna bleach my roots. Hopefully this lasts decently in my hair. Usually color doesn't fade fast in my hair. Usually Manic Panic was a different story. I dyed my hair with Manic Panic once, loved it. Then I washed my hair and then it all left my hair and I was back to being super blonde. I kind of miss being blonde. But yeah, this is the result. I like it. It looks pretty crazy in my monitor, but yeah, I do kind of wish I did a little bit more fading here. Kind of just blending it up, sort of like how I did here, but it is what it is.
The back and forth has got me so messed up. Don't ignore the signs. We've had enough of the whole damn thing that we got going. You hold the strings without me knowing. Why do I have to suffer through the thinking? Why do I have the feeling that we're sinking? I need to find a way. Find a way. Find a way. Find a way out. What's all this for? It's got me turned around, but I can't ignore the feelings that I found in this whole damn thing that we got going. You hold the strings without me knowing. Why do I have to suffer through the thinking? Why do I have the feeling that we're sinking? I need to find a way. Find a way. Find a way. Find a way out. Find a way out.
thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. I'm sorry I didn't post a video last week. Life got in the way, but hopefully I can have a new video up pretty soon after this one. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye!
Let's go now.